Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check hardware version for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds 2 Lite. You have to start by open Huawei AI Life application. Of course, you should add your headphones to the app and you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Then click at the 4 dots at the right top. Device settings. Then device information. At the last line we have version, so you need to tap at this line, and right here we have hardware version, so you can check it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.